Hey everybody, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm showing you a 6x6 door. There we go, open in. It's pretty compact really, pretty cheap to make. Took me a while to get it quite small, but they are pretty simple, all things considered. There we go. Let's get started. So, this is what you're going to need. All in this chest. Obviously the bone you can replace with any building block you like. So I've built the frame already. First you want to start by digging out a channel. You actually want it to be 14, I only did 12, and you'll see later I have to fix my mistake. So yeah, put your obsidian here, that's quite important, otherwise it'll just fly off forever. Build yourself your door, you can use whatever you like, just using bone, but you can do anything that doesn't get, anything that does get stuck to your slime. So you can't use terracotta because that won't work, but you can use pretty much anything else. So next we want to do your layers of slime and honey, and it's important you do it with your slime at the top. That'll become evident later on. So there you go, just layer it up, slather them down. Alright, so now we're going to do our layer of pistons. It's important as well that here, what I'm doing with the slime and the honey, you want to do it in the same order as that. So 3 slime on the top, then 1 honey, and then 2 slime on the bottom. You slightly pistons down on the end. That's going to pull the entire door. Okay, then we're going to do some more pistons. So the middle piston there wants to be looking into the honey. Okay, and I didn't realise I put that piston the wrong way around, so that's something else that I'll have to fix later. So that bone is actually quite important. You want your block on that honey, and then we're just going to place some observers facing away from the slime, so the redstone goes into that slime, like so. Here we are, and as you can see, the piston's pushed because of that observer, so I just fixed that mistake. There we go, that's better. Alright, next thing is we're going to do our flying machine in a second. So we're just going to power these pistons first. There we go, and the bottom one as well, you want it in the slime. So again, you want the redstone signal to go into that slime block. Okay, now we're going to put, it's just a simple 2-way flying machine. Pretty bog standard. There we are. Slap one more observer down, and it won't fly because it's already at the max push limit because we put the pistons right next to it. We all compacted. Right, so we count out 6 blocks because that's how far the door is going to travel. And we put up our next obsidian wall. Okay, we do the same again for the bottom, only down here we do it for 7 blocks. We just do the 1 obsidian. Okay, and then we look at the bone we put earlier. It doesn't have to be bone, of course, and it's another 7 blocks. And then the top observer, 7 again. Okay, and then lastly, I think, it is the end of the fly machine, that is 8. Now what this does is it makes an air gap between the pistons so they don't get pushed to their max, or over the max even. Alright, now if I'm not wrong, we send it off. There we go, and it's opening. Oh, that is because I didn't dig 14, I needed 12. So that's my mistake. I'm just fixing that. That won't happen to you if you dug the channel at 14. So there's me trying to figure out what possibly I could do to repair it. No, yeah, it's not too complicated, but it shouldn't happen to you anyway. I did forget to remove that piston, which I'll have to fix in a second. Good thing I checked it, because there we go. Alright, so now we want to set up how we activate it. So there we go, you can see it's closing the door. We want our lamp there, because we're going to power that lamp, and that's how it's going to activate the observer. This is the bit that took me a while to figure out how to compact it a little bit. So we're going to use honey here to activate the observer, because the honey won't stick to the slime, whereas if you just use a piston, then the piston gets carried over by the slime. So now literally all we're going to do is hook up the piston and the observer, not the observer, the lamp, sorry. Just hook them up to some redstone. Don't do it like this, because as you'll see in a second, I actually power one of the pistons in the flying machine by accident. So you want to have your piston a little bit more far away than that, because when it closes, yeah, it cocks up. But that's only because of my mistake. Can you see that piston's extended where it shouldn't be? Yeah. So don't do your redstone line quite so close. So I'm going to do it again, just to show you. If you do it a bit further away, it does work completely fine. And of course, you can hook this up to a button wherever you like. I'm just going to slap the button on top of this bone, just to see you in action. And that's my fault again, because when I was fixing it, I left that piston in the same place as last time. But it does work. There we go. And that's it. Slap the button, off it goes. You've got your 6x6 door. Now, I've not seen a 6x6 door as compact as this. Obviously, you need a bit of room on one of the sides. But yeah,